this is the DEWALT Oscillating tool. I'm gonna cut off this piece of my deck. It comes with a 1.5 amp battery and a little tool bag. It's really handy for carrying other tools as well. Comes with lots of blade options. So there is a lock. When lock is enabled, it won't be able to engage the trigger. So I'm gonna do a plunge cut. Yeah, I would mark the line first, then finish the cut. To replace the blade, depress this trigger, this lock, and pull it out. There are tons of other blade options. It also comes with the LED lighting front. It's really handy. There are two, looks like a 1/4-inch screws on the side for mounting other accessories. It has a brushless motor. Okay, let me finish the cut. Oh, additionally, the speed can be adjusted at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do top speed. See, that's a pretty deep cut in just a few seconds. Like here. I was able to push in maybe 3/8 inch. So that's the DEWALT Oscillating tool. Very handy for some really tricky cuts. Thanks for watching.